How many pictures?
Yeah, this is the video camera.
Smile, boys.
I have no idea how to use it, of course.
I'm gonna put it on the cooking
And
channel.
let's it all open. Let's it open, Ben, and look it.
Guess what I'm making, Ben?
What?
Guess what I'm making?
What?
I'm making a J.
And I think I'm making a D for Dad.
Thanks, Benny. Benny, you're my favorite child now.
I'm making an F for Phil.
Thanks, Jack. You're my favorite child now. But it Phil starts with a P, though.
Oh, I'm making it a T then.
P, Bob. P.
T then.
What about you, Sammy? What are you going to do for Daddy?
I'm gonna make a D for Dad.
What about Sammy? I have no idea what this is doing.
Let's make it flat. I'm gonna make it flat.
You make it flat?
Boy, I don't know how to make a P, Dad.
Just like a line with a circle like this.
I can't do it. It's coming. It's coming in. Too much things are coming in. Oi, I can never finish it.
Jack sound like an 80-year-old Jewish guy sometimes.
Who?
Jack, with his A's.
I want you to help me,
Notice.
Diane. Diane, I want you to help me.
Sure, what do you want to make?
Oh boy, Dan's going to be in the video now, too.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
okay, there's a blue spot. Yeah. First, you're making like a straight line, okay?
Let's see what Sammy's doing
And
here.
this part, I'm trying to make a circle, okay?
Hey, evil baby.
Yeah, look, I made a D for Dad.
Let's look at Benny's D for Dad.
Yes.
Wow, that's pretty good, Benny.
A D for Dad.
Thanks, Benny. You're pretty cool.
Let's see how the pizzas are going to turn out.
My D
I'm more
is
curious how the video is going to
Dad.
turn out.
And I'm gonna get a stool so I
Like
can.
this. And now we're going to spread it.
Diane,
Yes.
can you put the sauce in and I want to put the cheese?
Stop doing it.
No, it's going to come back together.
Hi, Benny.
Put it a little bit more. And there's-
I love pizza.
I love
Come
Benny.
back.
Oh, pizza. I think. Yeah.
Sammy's doing unspeakable things to his dough.
I made a D for Dad.
Sammy, what are you doing?
Now look at it, a line and a curve. And I'm doing this kind.
This kind of pizza? Looks a little more like a calzone there, Sammy.
Look at what I did.
Oh, look at Jack. He made a J.
A P.
I'm sorry, a P. It doesn't connect. Looks a lot like a J. But thank you.
And I made a D for Dad, and Jack made a P for Phil.
Really? That's pretty cool, Benny.
I pick it up.
You pick it up.
Now can I put my cheese on in my
No, don't put that in your mouth, Sammy. That's a little gross.
Sammy, do you want me to make?
All right.